closely, you may think that it is Scratch 2, but it is actually Scratch 3. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Scratch 3 editor look like a Scratch 2.0 editor. First, install Scratch add-ons, and don't worry, it's completely safe with over 40,000 users. Now that you have your Scratch add-ons, search up Stage. And now when you have Stage, on the third option, enable the display stage on left side. And what this does is just moves the stage to the other side, just like Scratch 2.0. But now we need to make the block colors look like Scratch 2.0. So now just type up block colors on the Scratch add-ons and enable the customized block colors and go down, scroll down until you're here. Click the Scratch 2.0 colors, and then after that you should see the colors look like Scratch 2.0 colors. Now to get block shapes, search up block shapes on the Scratch add-ons. Then you should see this option called customizable block shape. Enable that and then scroll down until you see the presets. Click the 2.0 blocks. And now your Scratch add-on looks like 3.0. Now well done, you have officially turned your Scratch 3 editor into a Scratch 2 editor. If you found this tutorial cool, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.